In the heart of Zimbabwe, a political storm brews, a storm that sends ripples across the Inter-Parliamentary Union and the Citizen Coalition for Change. The tension between these two formidable forces is palpable, with Jacob Mudenda, a prominent member of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, at the epicenter. Chronologically, this saga unfolds with an initial standoff between the two groups. The Inter-Parliamentary Union, under the influence of Mudenda, takes a bold stance against the Citizen Coalition for Change. Their disagreements are far from subtle, their words echoing in the parliamentary halls, the air thick with anticipation and discord. As the tensions escalate, Mudenda takes a step that sends waves across the political landscape. In a move that stuns many, he forces the return of Citizen Coalition for Change MPs to Parliament. This action, unexpected and unprecedented, marks a significant turning point in this ongoing political drama. But the story doesn't end there. The Citizen Coalition for Change, known for their resilience, doesn't back down. They stand their ground, their voices unwavering, their determination unbroken. The Parliament echoes with their words, their resolve, their call for change. In the face of mounting pressure and increased scrutiny, Mudenda stands firm. His decision to bring back the Citizen Coalition for Change MPs remains a testament to his resolve, a symbol of the ongoing tension between the two groups. And so the saga continues, the tension between the Inter-Parliamentary Union and the Citizen Coalition for Change remaining a prominent feature of Zimbabwe's political landscape. The actions of Mudenda and the response of the Citizen Coalition for Change have set the stage for a political showdown that will undoubtedly shape the future of Zimbabwe. In summary, this ongoing political drama between the Inter-Parliamentary Union and the Citizen Coalition for Change, marked by Mudenda's decision to force the return of Citizen Coalition for Change MPs, has significant implications. It not only underscores the intense rivalry between the two groups, but also highlights the potential for change and reform within Zimbabwe's political sphere. As the dust settles, one thing is clear: this is more than just a political showdown. It's a testament to the power of resilience, to the call for change, to the potential for a brighter, more inclusive future for Zimbabwe. And as we watch this saga unfold, we can only wait and see what the future holds for this vibrant nation.